With Veeam Cloud Connect, you can enable the always-on business by providing availability for the modern data center. By now, we can agree that offsite backups are a necessity to limit the risk of catastrophic data loss. Veeam has made a commitment to providing you the tools necessary to move your data to a secondary location, whether that be through native tape support, support for removable disk-based media, our Cloud Edition, host-to-host replication, or backup copy to a secondary site. But we've noticed an increasing amount of our existing customers adopting or augmenting their offsite strategy by utilizing service providers' infrastructure as a secondary backup or backup copy target. With Veeam Cloud Connect, part of the Veeam Availability Suite, we sought to identify any barriers to moving backups offsite to a hosting organization of your choosing, without adding on any additional licensing. Let's talk about some of those challenges. We believe that identifying available service providers in your region should be a simple process taking place through a centralized hub. Setting up and maintaining a VPN connection for secure transport incurs additional costs, complexity, and management overhead. Adding an offsite repository, WAN accelerator, or other related components should be an automatic process that requires limited oversight and maintenance from your team. And finally, you should have full visibility and control of your offsite backups without compromising your private data. To simplify the process of finding service providers, we've implemented the ability to find and add service providers in your region directly in the backup and replication interface. Once you've established a connection to the service provider, we'll automatically add in the hosted cloud repository with the appropriate capacity and settings. So how do we address connection and security-related concerns? We've eliminated the VPN requirement by utilizing a SSL connection between you and the service provider's cloud gateway. Your cloud repository gives you complete visibility and control of your data directly from the backup console. And we'd be remiss if we didn't provide all of the capabilities of our modern backup copy job architecture. So optional WAN acceleration, forever incremental backups, and grandfather-father-son retention are still available when transporting your backup copies to a cloud repository. Finally, we understand in-flight protection of your data through SSL might not satisfy all of your security and privacy requirements. So we're providing source-side encryption of your backup files without impacting our WAN acceleration's bandwidth reduction techniques. Thanks for taking time to learn more about Veeam Cloud Connect. And please remember to follow our other feature announcements for Veeam Availability Suite version 8.